Now that we know what a swipe file is and how and why to use one, I'm going to share with you how to create your own swipe file inside of Closer's Copy. If you go ahead and go on over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Libraries and then Templates, you'll notice that there's some pre-made sales letters, emails, and ads for you to look through. This here is the pre-existing swipe file, but if you want to create your own, let me show you how to do so. I've already created a custom sales letter with headlines, intros, and so on. So let me show you how to save these. The first thing that I'm going to do is highlight the headline that I want to save, right-click it, and then hit Save. Next, I'm going to name my template. So I'm going to go ahead and name this Sales Letter. For my section, I'm going to name this something like Headline. And for my block, I think I'll name that the How-To Headline. Then just click on Save. For the next one, we'll do the same thing. And for this one, I'm going to keep it in the sales letter template with the headline section. And for the block, I'll call this the We Make Headline. I'll do this once more with the third headline. And now you can see how I've done that with 3 separate headlines. I'm now going to speed up my video, and I'm going to do this for the intro section, my highlighting the issue section, and so on and so forth. Now, I know this portion of the video is going pretty fast, but I just want to explain quickly the difference between a template, a section, and a block. A template, like I have here for a sales letter, can have multiple sections, and every section can have multiple copy blocks. Let me give you an example. Let's say I want to do this sales letter. Well, this sales letter can consist of a headline, openings, guarantees, etc. These are all different sections, and each section can have multiple copy blocks. What a copy block is it's a unique text variation with different wording or a completely different angle. So maybe you want to save 3 different guarantees or 3 different headlines for this sales letter and then make those reusable. Well, this structure gives you the flexibility to do that and organize your template however you like. Alright, now I went ahead and saved all of my sections into a custom swipe file. So let me show you. If we go back to Libraries and then click on Templates, I now have a section called My Templates with a custom template called Sales Letter. And once that loads up, you'll see all of the templates that you saved. So once I open these up, you can choose the copy blocks that you would like to use, such as the How-To Headline. I could go ahead and add that right to my document, and then I could move right into my next section, which would be the Intro Offer section. And now I could go ahead and preview any of these and pick one. I'm going to go ahead and choose the Grab It All offer and add it to my document. Next, I'm going to add in the Most Struggle copy block, which is in the Highlighting Issue section. And now let's just go ahead and add all of these to the document. And now that I've added all of these to my document, I have a whole sales letter that I can use. What's really awesome is that this sales letter could be used for any niche, any industry, and all I have to do is change out the highlighted info with relevant information to that niche or industry. I do want to point out though that I took the time to go ahead and highlight all the sections for myself that I can go back in and change later. If you don't highlight this beforehand, these will not be saved in your templates this way. But what's really awesome about doing things this way is that once I go in and change out all the details that are highlighted, then I can just go ahead and go right on up to my top toolbar. And now click on this eye icon and it will take all of my highlighting away. And then I would have a fully finished sales letter with no highlights showing. And I could go ahead and download that in any sort of format that I would like to, such as PDF, DocX, or HTML.